everyone, welcome to Cortex Telemedicine. So today we are looking into the functional development which has been done as part of the new work or new release which we do, and let's get into it. So I'll just show you how it looks. So I'm logged in as a patient, and last week we introduced doctor's catalog where you can see the different doctors in it there. And this week what we have done is we have went ahead and enhanced it furthermore where you see the reviews and ratings as well. All right, so let me go to a popular doctor here who has some reviews to show you out how it looks. Or let me search for the name. All right, so okay, no. Okay, all right, so okay, all right, so if there is no review, then probably we'll write a review here for this particular doc. All right, so let's say we just review it 5 stars. Just to remind you, like, this is a test application, so you have free reviews available just for the sake of testing it. But in the actual application which will roll out in the production, you will not have a free review. The review will be only applicable to the patient once they have successfully finished the consultation. All right, so let me go back and log in as this particular doctor, Dr. Victor, and just close one of the bookings, or let me do this, right? So for example, if I go and book an appointment here with Victor Sokolov, let me see. Oh, he doesn't have any schedules, but let's go on. So I just log out here, log in as Dr. Victor Sokolov. Okay, sign in. Okay, here you have it, right? So let's say I just approve it, and for something I just put a clinical conclusion here. Okay, just for the demo purpose. So I just save it, start the consultation, stop it, call completed, and complete the consultation. So let's say I've completed the consultation here. Now what happens is on the patient side, let me log in on the patient side here, back again, I'll log in as a patient here, and then I'll get my treatment record. Here I'll see the notification, okay, here, and then you will have as a patient leave a review for that particular consultation, right? So you just click on leave a review, you go to your consultation, and you just mention whatever you want to, but just do keep in mind the review is limited to 256 symbols as now, or characters as of now. Nothing much you can add, but yeah, you can share your experience here with a particular consultation or with a particular doctor or whatever it is. All right, so that's saved. Now, since this is an application and you have a lot of things going on, and people can try to forge it, right? Like leaving negative reviews and all this kind of stuff. So what we do is we when the user submits a review, it's not directly published though. So to publish the review, all the reviews which are being published by the patients uh, goes to the admin here for a review. All right, so let's look in here, and you see here doctor review. So you will have all this review which comes for the review. So you can see which are genuine, which are by bot or something like that. So you just approve it. Let's say I approved a couple of ones for Victor, but for Dr. Scott, this is decline, or I don't want to have this review. Let's say I consider this as a forge or bot or something like that. But this is okay, right? So that's how you take an action, and you just kind of do. But you can also, let's say by mistake you make it as remove decline, you can still reapprove it, or if you want to, it's already approved but it should be declined, so you can do that. So a billing admin has a full control of the reviews. So you just go out, log out, and if I sign in as a patient, I will see the reviews for the doctor, right? So which will be a genuine review which are published by doctor. So let's go into Dr. Sokolov here and search for Victor. Here it is, and you can see here, right? So this is one cool thing, or this is a one big enhancement we have made here to further give a user to share their experience about a doctor. All right. So this is one thing what we have done as a development part. Now, the other thing is on the admin side here. Let me log in as an admin, uh, which is more over triaging or operational side of stuff, which is admin here. Okay, so now let's say if you have a patient or a doctor complaining about a call. Okay, this particular call, I'm trying to make a patient and uh, I don't know what's going on wrong or something like that, right? Basically the need or ask is to figure out or to do a session diagnostic, like what went wrong with that particular patient or something like that. So here we have enabled the call sessions. So what you can do is you can go to this, filter out based on dates or whatever you want to do, or just figure out between a doctor and a patient if you know the consultation time and something like that. So you get a session ID, and once you have this session ID, we can use the session ID to actually trace back the whole call between two entities, which is doctor and patient, and figure out like what was wrong, whether it was a network issue on doctor side, patient side, what whether the minimum bit rate was slow, and all those kind of issue can be figured out. So this is an input. So you take this, go to our inspector manager, which is provided already by OneAge. You go there, search with the session ID, and boom, you get whole trace out there what went wrong, right? So this is a key thing which we have built for the admin here to make the operational flow a bit on ease. So pretty much that's it. And apart from that, we have been working on doing cleaning a bit of technical debt, as well as doing some back-end processing, cleaning and bugs and all. So these were the major enhancements being done here. That's it for this week or this release. We'll get back to you with new exciting features in the next release. All right, thank you guys. Bye bye.